Have you wanted to replace your factory radio because it doesn't have modern connectivity like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto? But you feel stuck because your factory radio controls your personalization options and displays features like HVAC controls. Axxess now offers a new category of interfaces to solve this issue. This is the AXRSC, a radio status control interface. When paired with the vehicle-specific harness, you retain full control and display of your vehicle's adjustable features. Installation is easy. Simply program the interface and plug it into the plug-and-play vehicle-specific harnessing. It really is that simple, and it just works. And if you add a radio-specific harness, installation is easy. There are no additional connections required. So retain your vehicle's adjustable features and displayed controls, including steering wheel controls with your aftermarket radio with the new AXRSC interface from Axxess. For the most updated list of vehicle applications, check out metraonline.com.